Today, we are here to listen to good people, achievers, people, human beings who made this world a better place to live for all of us.
And I think if India has to create a greater employment and create 100 million jobs, then we need to focus on how do we build a competitive society where we get a greater share of global trade. Two areas that really have been neglected since economic reform. The first area that has been neglected is agriculture. The second area is factory reform.
CSR is something you want to post on your balance sheet, and possibly it will improve your market value.
Mankind has always evolved with art and architecture.
The difference between what we do and what we are capable of doing is enough to solve most of the problems in the world.
If you truly believe in something, you always find the courage for it.
One of the largest ever migrations in the history of humankind is being scripted. It's the migration of 1 billion plus people.
I met Gandhiji in 1946 and then decided to work under him.
Our plan had been to reach 3,200 crores by 2010 with an EBIT of 15%. By 2007-8 itself, we crossed the 3,000 crore mark and achieved a revenue of 3,246 crores and a profit of 281 crores.
We cannot frame it exactly the same way it was framed 250 years ago, because let's face it, 250 years ago you didn't have a CII conference where a Tambram from Chennai who plays the piano was talking to you about creativity.
Sporting organizations can be run and should be run like large corporations.
The moment our thought reaches that level of perfection, or our thought is able to reach that kind of depth, human excellence becomes automatic.
Every child in the government schools can speak English in 1 year for a cost of about 50 rupees.
Growing or becoming rich and becoming an island is not going to help this country or society unless you use that strength.
Last 5 years, we touched 67 lakhs of people in the emergencies and saved 175,000 lives in the last 5 years.
Basic facilities வந்து அத்தனை பேத்துமே இன்னைக்கு 100% நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ரெண்டாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நாடு சுதந்திரம் பெற்று 63 ஆண்டுகள் ஆயும் கூட இன்னும் 3 கோடி மக்களுக்கு வீடுகள் இல்லை என்று சொல்லிக் கொண்டிருக்கும் இந்த நிலையில் எங்க பஞ்சாயத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 10 ஆண்டுகளிலேயே அனைவருக்கும் வீடு இல்லாதவங்களே யாருமே கிடையாது. குடிசை வீடு கிடையாது.
Transformation, creation of the opportunity, access to them. That's where we started. Based on that one, I selected in a small area, Karakambadi village near Tirupati.
For about a decade, only income tax challan, what we paid, used to be the supporting document for increasing our loan from 25,000 to over 1 crore.
This fineness is possible only in yarn that is spun between two fingers.
What is that one single event that make us get recognition in the world? It's the Y2K in the year 1999.
When you're small, you micromanage everything yourself, your decisions are centralized. As you grow larger, probably you need to think of how do you create more people in your team.
My goal today is to give you 4 simple things you can take home to your families, to your organizations, to your NGOs or your government roles, and make a difference yourself.
I think the importance of competency is there, or it's an absolute must.
For a group like this, of corporates, people who really make decisions and are shaping our environment and our built environment at a really rapid rate, I thought I'd sort of raise some issues.
Vision and the dream of these commercials
is so much larger than life. That the value that you bring to the table with this, with your brand, and whatever else that you put into it, it's actually life altering.
இழந்தது மகுடம் பெறுவது ஒளிவட்டம் இழப்பதை விடவும் பெறுவது பெரிதெனில் துறவென்ன துறவு அரசிருந்தும் அகதியாய் பூவிருந்தும் விதவையாய் பிள்ளை இருந்தும் சந்நியாசியாய் துறவி நீரல்ல ராஜகுமாரா நான் யசோதரா.
Behind behavior there is something else, and that is belief. Now the problem with belief is you can't see it. You can feel it, but you can't see it.
All those audiences are just as important. I've done films in 10 different languages. India is not Delhi and Bombay, and we have to keep reminding ourselves or remind a lot of people in those cities.
While you're listening to the story, I also would like you to connect with the emotions and the conflict.
I come from Andhra Pradesh. My mother is from Telangana, my father is from Andhra. So I get credit anyway. Everywhere I go, they say, "Idi mana oore." So that they, it's like, I'm from your place.
My name is Madhavi. I am from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattavar. I am from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. And it goes on, covering all the different states of India.
The enrichment of the whole election process itself, you really begin to wonder how truly representative our democracy is. And this is not to say that the wealthy can't access politics, but it's just a question of proportion.
To change that mismatch, we believe that party democracy is more important.
In forums like this, by organizations like CII, by entrepreneurs, that we need to be able to have a system that operates faster, that takes decisions faster.
This summit and its theme, Making the Difference, is about bringing to each one of us this question. Are you aware of what you have to give? Are you aware of who you can work with? And are you aware of where you can take yourself, your family, your community, and indeed, not just the country, but the world ahead?
I feel like in between I'm an item girl.
When you drink too much and you eat too much simultaneously, and then you try and sleep late at night, you have a nightmares. I remember my professor in school saying 2-carboxy, 3-hydroxypropane. That was my keyword. That is to trigger off a switch off. Tadak, everything is tuck, 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 tuck.
Whichever party I am in, right now I am in Congress.
ஆசை முகம் மறந்து போச்சே